My dear students, welcome again. Now this time we are going to solve exercise with the simple past tense with some verbs of the simple past tense. Now number 1, fill in the blanks with the be form of verbs was or were, since it is in the past tense. So this time we are not going to use is or am or are. No. This time we are going to use was or were. Was or were. The past forms of the word is or are. And in case of am, generally students, it is also get turned into was. Okay, it gets turned into was when it is used in the past tense, or basically for the simple past tense. Next, there dash a telephone call for you last night. Number A, there dash a telephone call for you last night. Now, definitely since it is A, so there will be was. There was a telephone call. Since it is one or A basically, so for a call we have to use was. Next, where dash you at 10 o'clock yesterday. Where were you? Now students, if you are indicating a person or a group of people, it doesn't matter. But after you or for you basically, it is needed where, or if it is placed before also, according to the rule. When you form a question, then where is suitable. So where. Number B, where were you at 10 o'clock yesterday? Next, number C, the gates dash not open yesterday. The gates basically plural in number, so definitely where is suitable. The gates were not open. The gates were not open yesterday. Next, number D. Dash he not present at the meeting. He is third person singular number. He is third person singular number. So, was is suitable for this. Was he not present at the meeting? Question mark. Number E. I dash not very well last month. I was not well. It will be not am, since it is not in the present tense. Not in the simple present tense basically. It is in the simple past tense. So, I was. Am is getting changed into was. I is singular in number. So, definitely was is suitable over here. I was not very well last month. Next, number F. Those cakes. Now cakes again indicating plural number. So for cakes, where is suitable? So where? So number F. Those cakes were nice. So for any singular thing, you have to use was, while for anything plural, where is suitable. Now students, in case of you, when you will tell you both, when it will indicate to a single person as well as to a group of people, in both the cases, you have to use where. With you, where is suitable. Suppose you were with your friends last night. You were with your friends last night. Like this, you have to create or you have to form different sentences.